Hey guys and girls! So today we are learning weather adjectives. We will look at the difference between base adjectives and strong adjectives to describe different types of weather. So let's get started. First, we are going to Florida, USA. As you can see, the temperature today is 25 degrees Celsius. It's a hot day. So this means that we can be outside at the beach, at the park, wherever we choose, and we can be still quite comfortable outside. However, if we move to Dubai in the UAE, you can see the temperature is 40 degrees Celsius. You could say it's scorching or it's boiling. This means that we have extremely high, uncomfortable temperatures. So it's scorching, boiling, can be used as strong adjectives to describe very hot weather. Now let's look at cold weather. In London, UK, the temperature today is 13 degrees Celsius. We can describe this as being cold. You could say it's cold or it's chilly. So think of this as a temperature, and this could be any temperature which is slightly low, which makes you feel a bit cold and you're outside, and think of it as still being quite comfortable outside. So you could take a walk around outside, you could go to the park and you are quite comfortable. You may just need a sweater. However, on the contrary, if you go to Moscow, Russia, you can see the temperature is minus 8 degrees Celsius. The temperature here is below zero. You could describe this as being freezing. So freezing is a strong adjective to describe cold weather. Now looking at rainy weather, as you can see, we have a few drops of rain. When you have a few drops of rain, you could describe this as it's drizzling. This means you will not be very wet outside. You may or may not need an umbrella, and you wouldn't get extremely uncomfortable in this weather. However, if you look at the next picture, you could see that we have a lot of rain. And when we have lots of rain, you will need an umbrella and you don't really want to be outside. So you could say it's pouring. And this is a strong adjective to describe lots of rain. An idiom which we use to describe this weather is it's raining cats and dogs. Moving on to windy weather, I want you to look at the picture and you can see lots of things flying around, and you can say that it's windy or there is a strong wind. Now, when you have extremely strong wind, the kind of wind which would cause damage and destruction to houses or to things around in the area, you could say we have gale force wind. So this is extremely strong, destructive wind. On the contrary, if you look at the next picture, you can see we have light wind. So you're sitting down on a hot day in your house and you can feel a bit of air blowing into the house. You could say we have a breeze. A breeze.